Hello guys, it's your boy Melchior Jr. Today we are back with another video. So guys, we are playing basketball today. Points. If you get a shot, you get a point. But if you miss a shot, you get no points. Okay? Let's go. Personal. Like that way. Oh, ako ay yung dalawa. Okay, guys. Zero point ka.
Hindi ka makadigos?
3 point.
Nabasa ka?
0 point.
Ha?
4 point.
Natin?
Galing ko na points.
Natin?
3 point.
Hello guys, this is Ensilay.
No! 3 point.
Malamig na to?
No! 2 point. No! No, ay... 1 point. Oh my God. No! 3 point. 0 point. 10. Zero point. Ano? Come on. Reverse. No. 10. No.
Hello guys. Guys.
1 point. 12. So, boys. Let's go! Go! 2 point. 1 to 1. Go! 3 point.
CDO guys.
Let's go, guys! Let's go!
CDO guys.
4 points for the lead. 4 points for the lead. Let's go! Oh! Let's go! 5 points! 5 points, baby! 5 points! Like that!
Dito makarecover rin guys.
Let's go! 6 points!
Oh guys.
Let's go, guys! Let's go! 1 point! 7 points! Let's go!
Ah,
Go, guys!
CDO guys.
5 points! Oh! What's nice? 8 points! Let's go, guys!
Hello guys.
Si Blabla ay nandito na! No! Oh! Again.
Kasulsul. Tama mo muna garaw.
You got pain again, bro.
Ayun oh. Nasaan yung bola mo?
Nay, nandun oh. So,
Hello guys.
he got pained again,
I
guys.
need watch my brother. Guys.
I am 7 points, guys. I am 7 points. I'm 18. Yeah.
Bumbaan natin guys. Okay guys.
Heck, sabi ni ate ko, guys. Heck. Kuya, huwag kang okay. Hintayin natin, guys, si Makmak. Anong point muna, kuya? 7. Ikaw.
9. 10. Guys. Hey guys.
He is gonna bumbait, guys. So, tignan nyo din si Daddy, oh. Nagbubumba ng bola, guys. Binubumbaan niya yung bola ni Makmak, guys. Ako nga din, Daddy.
Oh guys.
Wow. Pwede pa to? Pwede pa to? So, guys. Nabumbaan na natin lahat ng bola. Nanonood si MC, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wait, guys. 6 point na siya, guys. Si Makmak. Ako. 8 point. Ay, hindi ka na makakamiss sa chat. Opo, hindi na po. Promise ka. No! 7 point. Ako 7 point. Ne, 6 point. No. Ikaw, 7 point. Heck. 9 point. Yay. No. No. 10 point. Oh, really? I cannot lose already.
Mm.
Oh,